we have a snapped chain guide. Back to the workshop, everybody, and the BMW, which literally just wants to die. It is an ongoing problem. It was the cheapest M Sport Tourer available in Europe at the time. And this is a boomerang car. This car has been through multiple people locally. So I thought we knew quite a bit of the history. However, a really massive job on these is the timing chain. They're located on the back of the engine and they all go. Has been done. So I thought we would get away with major problems, and it looks like we're doing that again. So I'm going to have to take apart the engine to confirm the timing chain and then take the engine out. So get on with it. Parcels have arrived and needs to be assembled so I can deal with that engine removal. Let's get on with this. So yeah, engine hoist, very important, and it definitely is important because I've done the rest of the work off camera, because this is stuff I've already done. So this is now the second time. Remember this? We've recently done the rocker cover gasket on that for the oil leak, and so that's off again. We're back looking at the engine, and we've seen this recently, although I was much quicker at it. And there is, all the way back here, the timing chain. And these are what go. So, shall I show you the problem? Or do you want to know the problem? Because technically speaking, if it was a timing chain, as you can see it's looking very new, these suffer from these going slack, and then these slap around, make a noise, damage the engine, snap, do all sorts of things. And this is brand new. We have a snapped chain guide. That's, yeah, I'm gonna do the whole lot. I don't trust any single part of this kit because this has actually been done. Look at the play in that. And that, I wonder if that's the play that's, well, do you know what? No matter what, it's getting done. So, engine will be coming out. That is the air conditioning compressor, and all this pipe work going down to obviously the rest of the system is a sealed system with the refrigerant in it. And this has just come from this space underneath the alternator there, as you can see. So what I've done is I have pulled it up and kept all of the refrigerant. There's still a sealed system, so we won't have to correctly remove the gases. You can't just let that refrigerant leak to the ozone, but also it costs then to refill it. So that's come out so we can come back to that and refit it, and the aircon will still work. On top of that, got a bit more space, and down there access much more easily to one of the two engine mounts. So as you're seeing, we're starting to get to lots of stuff easily because there's a lot of space on this. After I've sort of done everything here, coolant's all gone now, so I can pull some pipes out of the way and get them out of the way. I will drain the oil out of this engine while it is easy to do, not swinging around on an engine stand. Then I've just got to do all of the starter motor bolts, bell housing bolts, but after the torque converter bolts. And then I need to drop it down, support the gearbox underneath, do the engine mounts, and then hopefully it's out. Oh yeah, some fuel lines and stuff. Doing here is through the starter motor hole. Starter motor's now out. Is I'm turning the flywheel So I can get to these bolts, which are what go through the flywheel and hold the torque, to bolt to the torque converter. So that's like the automatic car's clutch, as it were. And then, once they're done, I can undo the bolts which hold the gearbox to the engine, support the engine, support the gearbox, and then I think I'm just the engine mounts, and that should all come apart. The engine out, and it's late, but that does mean I can pull all this lot apart tomorrow. So obviously this is the back of the engine, because that's the flywheel, so it literally all the time and chain, everything down here, all of this will come off tomorrow, the sump, and I'll get everything sorted. And to be honest, I can then clean everything up as well, so we can see if we have any further leaks, because there's a lot of oil everywhere, but that's most likely from the last time. So I think I'm done for the day. All right, I think as far as I can get today, it is 8:15 at night. I've been at it all day. We're doing, amongst other things, it's not that big a job. It's not all of day, if you know what you're doing. I clearly don't. But it's out, ready to hopefully get fixed and not have this problem again. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.